Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 47. We are continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're walking along Market Street, beginning from 1st Street and continuing down to 2nd Street. This section of Market Street lies deep in the financial district, where the energy of the city feels most concentrated. Market itself was laid out in the 1840s by Jasper O'Farrell, who designed it as a broad avenue cutting diagonally across the city grid. His bold idea created triangular blocks and unusual intersections, and today Market Street remains one of the most important thoroughfares in San Francisco. At the corner of 1st Street, you'll notice the surrounding architecture. Tall commercial towers, banks, and insurance headquarters. Many of these buildings reflect San Francisco's post-1906 earthquake rebuilding era. After the disaster, Market Street became the showcase of the new San Francisco, rebuilt with fireproof steel-framed skyscrapers and bow-arched facades that signaled both resilience and prosperity. Walking down towards 2nd Street, you pass several significant office buildings. Many are part of the city's early 20th century boom, when San Francisco competed with New York and Chicago in terms of ambitious construction. Some of the narrower buildings still carry decorative cornices and stonework typical of that era, while newer glass and steel towers began rising in the mid to late 20th century. This blend gives Market Street its distinctive skyline. Historic facades at the street level, with modern skyscrapers climbing above. Market Street has also always been a transportation artery. Streetcars began running here in the 1860s, and today you'll see the F-Line heritage streetcars rumbling past, along with modern minibuses and light rail beneath the pavement. In fact, the Market Street subway opened in the late 1970s, making this section of downtown one of the busiest transit corridors on the West Coast. As we arrive at the corner of 2nd Street, it's worth noting how this area has been changed in recent decades. 2nd Street leads south towards the Soma district, once filled with warehouses and industrial yards, now transformed into a center for technology companies and modern residential towers. This intersection then is a kind of gateway between the traditional financial core and the newer tech-driven side of the city. That brings us to the end of today's walk, a short stretch, but one packed with layers of history, commerce, and transformation.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.